One day, Orangebird and Bluebird were at the desert for no random reason. Oh, I'm so thirsty! Water! Thirsty. Oh, wait, I have an idea. Can I drink your blood? No! Ow! But I want to. No! I think I can help. Who said that? Me. Princess Leia's at you, yeah. Can I drink your blood? No! But I want to. No. You have to drink that water over there. You little bull. Does it taste like blood? No. We'll see. Water! Get away from my water. You're too bad. Oh, man, I wanted to taste like blood. Man, that was good water. Okay, now, I want you to feed Darth Vader. Why? Because he's my arch enemy. Okay. So, yeah, come on, let's go. Hey, wait for us, lady. Yeah, wait for me. Okay, guys, we're right here. Okay, we must find a plan to stop Darth Vader. Yeah, how are we gonna do that? I don't know, but first you have to get past Nigel. Okay, where's Nigel? I'm right here. If you want to kill Darth Vader, you're gonna have to get past through me. Oh yeah, that's easy. Wow! We took care of him. Okay, now let's go get Darth Vader. Come on, let's go. Okay, Darth Vader, we're here to fight you. You'll never defeat me. I have a lifesaver. I can use it right here to slice you in half. Oh, really? I gotta eat this mushroom. Nom, nom, nom. Okay. I transform into Lightning Bird. And look, I got this stick like Harry Potter. Go get it, my slave. I'm not your slave. Yes, you are. Okay, I gotta split into 3. Come on, I gotta split into 3. Hey, try to make sure which one is the real Lightning Bird. Okay. Boom. Boom. Okay, now. Oh. Okay, now I'm going to attack you. Are you gonna attack? Okay. Ah! Go get him, my slave. I'm not your slave. Well, go get him anyway. Ow. Ugh. You and this round Lightning Bird. Next time I'll be back. Alright, we did it. Yay. Hey, you want to go get ice cream? Okay, yay. To be continued.